Greetings, one and all, and welcome to day number one. Yes, day number one, week. This has to be week 9, fall 2024 of our journey together. And it's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here for this evening's classes. Braden, please sit up. Sit up, please. All right, let's begin. Okay, let's head up. My name is Mr. Petit. Write this down for me, please. Marlon, you have your book and pencil?
Yes, sir.
Good. Today is Monday, the what?
28th of October, 2024.
Very good, 28th of October. The subject is mathematics. And we're going to be doing some word problems for today. But the word problems are going to be similar to something that you've seen before. So let's do that. It's going to be let's call it discount word problems. Discount word problems. All right. So write this down for me, please. Najara, are you writing this down? Yes, Najara. Sir. That's good. And Alura, are you writing this down?
Yes, sir.
All right, perfect. So we're going to be looking at some word problems. The key about word problems is that you have to read them carefully. Read them carefully, understand what they're asking you. And then, exactly. Okay, Seth, I could see you now. Herman, how are you doing?
I'm good.
Very good. And Lincoln, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right, good. I need you to write this down for me. All right. All right, so we're gonna begin with some examples. The first one, let me not write that on top. Let me just put it there. We're gonna say Sally's clothing. Write this down for me, please. Sally's clothing store. So Sally has a clothing store, and let's say she sells some shirts in this clothing store. So Sally's clothing store sells a shirt. What do you think the cost of a shirt is gonna be?
Um,
Wow.
$15.
$10,
$30. Yeah,
$30.
$10, $15.
$10, $15. Okay. But let's say it's a Nike shirt. How much is it gonna cost?
$1 million.
Say 1 million.
$20.
All right. So let's say it's for $30. Okay. So we don't want to make it too expensive. So there is a store-wide sale. So let's say you have a store-wide sale. There's a store-wide sale. Or store-wide, let's say discount. Of 20%. Right? On all items. So since there's a discount of 20%, that means that if you come to the store during this sale, you're going to be able to get this shirt on discount. Okay. Lincoln, are you writing this down? Where's Lincoln?
Yes, sir.
I still can't see you. But
the camera isn't working.
The camera isn't working, but you're writing this down. You're writing this down, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Determine the amount of the discount. So let's say we have the store-wide sale. And they say that they're gonna give you a discount of 20%, right? My question is, how much is the discount, right? So how much is the discount? That's my question. How much is the discount? So how you think we're gonna get that? Any
Do we take away?
takeaway? What you think? Anyone? How much is this? Is a store-wide sale? 20%.
Take away $20.
Take away $20. How much you think the shirt is gonna cost? It's a 20%
$10.
$10. Think it's gonna be $10.
$10.
It's a discount of 20% off. So
Is it
like we're taking it
is
off.
it a discount of 20%? So you think it's gonna be $20? How much?
Try to use the fractions what we learned last time.
Ah, exactly.
Are we doing percentages?
Exactly. It's 20%. Remember? Remember how we learned that? It's 20%. So it's not $20 off. It's 20% off, right? Not $20. So how are we gonna do that? Any idea?
We're
You can
going
put the
to
30
put
over
30 over
20 over
100
100.
and
Mhm, mhm.
turn and times it by 20 over 1 and cross out the 0 from the 100 and the 0 from the 20. And
Okay.
then
Okay. So
we're
you're
going
saying that, so let's do that, right? So we want to figure out how much is the discount, right? So how much is he gonna get, or is this person gonna get off? How many dollars are they gonna get off? All right. So let's do that. So 20%. So let's write this down. That's gonna be 20%. 20%
So you want us to write that 20%.
of what? Of what? Of 30. Of 30. So
30.
20% of 30.
Do you want us to write that?
Yeah, write this down for me. 20% of 30. Now, what is 20% written as a fraction? What is 20% written as a fraction?
100.
It's going to be
20 over
100.
100.
20 over 100. Seth, what is 20% as a fraction?
Pardon me?
What is 20% as a fraction? It's right there.
20 over 100.
Very good. 20 over 100. Alura, what is 20% as a fraction?
20 over 100.
Very good. And Lincoln, what is 20% as a fraction?
20 over 100.
And Madeline, what is 20% as a fraction?
20 over 100.
Very good. Now it says of. What does of mean? What does of mean?
Multiply.
Multiply. Very good. So 20 over 100 multiplied by, what are we going to do with the 30?
30 over 1.
Very
30
good.
over 1.
Very good. 30 over 1. So 30 over what? Over 1.
1.
All right. Now y'all should know how to do this, right?
Mr. T, do we
Yes,
also
sir.
cancel
Mr.
the
T.
0 for the 20?
Say it again.
Do we
About
also
60.
cancel the 0 for 20?
Say it again.
Do we also cancel the 0 on the 20?
Yes, we could do that. So we have 20 over 100 multiplied by 30 over 1. We can cancel out some zeros, right? So we can say that this 0 cancels out with that 0, right? And we say also that this 0 cancels out with that 0. Want me to do it again for y'all? Let me do it one more time. So we say that, let me erase this. Let me erase this. We say that this 0 cancels out with that 0. And then this 0 cancels out with this 0. And so we are left with what?
2.
1
2
and
over 1.
and another 1.
2 over 1 multiplied by what?
3 over 1.
3 over 1. 3 over 1. Now tell me, Lincoln, what is 2 times 3?
6.
6. Very good. And Madeline, what is 2 times 3?
6.
Very good. Asia, what is 1 times 1?
1.
1. And our answer is 6 over 1. But what is 6 over 1?
That equals to 6.
That equals to 6. That equals to 6. So that means that, Daronique, how much dollars is taken away from the 30? Daronique.
Pardon me? Say that again, please, because you were breaking up.
I was saying, we know that 20% of 30 is 6. So how much or how many dollars is taken away from the 30? Right out, I read on the screen. 20% of 30 is what?
6.
6. So the amount of the discount was how many dollars? Or how much? $6. Very good. So that means that the answer is $6. So that means that if you buy in the shirt, you're gonna get $6 off. All right. So if you're getting $6 off, my next question is, what's the cost of the shirt? That's the next question. So what is the cost of the shirt? So question is,
You want us to write what is the cost of the shirt?
yeah, this is gonna be 1. Let's call this 1B, right? Based on the discount, right? Based on the discount. Based on the discount. What is the cost of the shirt? Remember now, 20% of 30 is how many dollars?
Excuse me, Mr. Petit. Do you want us to put it right on the side of our
You can put it underneath. You can put it underneath. Right? So we know that 20% of $30 is $6. So what is going to be the cost of the shirt? Remember, it's a
The
sale.
shirt will be cost
It's going to be what?
$24.
What is that? What you said? Say it again?
$24.
$6.
$24.
How you got 24?
I subtract.
Very good. $30 minus what? $6. And 30 minus 6 is what? Let's do the subtraction. Lincoln, help me subtract this. What are we gonna do? Where's Lincoln?
We can't multiply the 0 from the 6, so we take 1 off the 3 and the 0 becomes a 10. So we do 10 minus 6, which is 4.
Very good. And 2 minus 0 is?
2.
2. So that means that the cost of the shirt based on a discount was what? Is what?
$24.
$24. So when they say, Madeline and Seth and Herman, when they say that you have a discount of 20%, they don't mean that, oh, it's $20 you have to take away. That's not what they mean. If they say that you have a discount of 20%, that means that you have to figure out what is 20% of $30.
I wish they didn't make it like that because it's so confusing.
Yeah. If it's 20% of $30. Once you find that, then you could take away that amount in dollars from the actual cost. So how do we do this? The first thing that we did was we said 20% of 30. We put 20% as a fraction, 20 over 100. We multiplied it by 30 over 1. We canceled out all our zeros. And we are left with 2 over 1 times 3 over 1. Then we multiply 2 times 3, which gives us 6. 1 times 1, which gives us 1. And we have 6 over 1, which is 6. Now that we have $6, we know that $6 is going to come out of the 30. And so we say 30 minus 6, which is 24. And we get 24 as the cost of the shirt. So that means that if you come to the store and you want to buy the shirt for $30, they're going to say, no, 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 no. You don't have to buy it for $30. How much do you have to buy this for the shirt for now?
$24.
How much do you have to buy the shirt for now?
$24.
$24.
$24.
$24. Very good.
$24.
$24. Madeline, do you have this written down?
Yes, sir.
Herman, you have this written down?
Yes, sir.
Alora, do you have this written down?
Yes, sir.
Joel and Gianna, y'all have this written down? Joel and Gianna, y'all have this written down? Where's Joel and Gianna? Joel and Gianna, do y'all have this written down? And what's the name? Lincoln, do you have this written down?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. I think we need another example. Do y'all need another example?
No, sir.
No? You ready to get it?
No, sir. You get it.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
I understand.
I
Who need,
understand.
who need the
Yes,
next
sir.
example? Who
Done.
need the next example?
I need a next example just to get
Okay. You need the next example? Okay. Seth, do you need the next example?
No, sir.
You understand it already?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Lincoln, do you need another example?
No, sir.
You understand it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll see right now. Let's do another one.
Excuse me, Auntie.
Go ahead.
Can I change my pencil?
Yes, you can. Legacy, do you need another example?
No, sir.
Okay. Example number 2. Let's do the next one.
You want us to write it down, Mr. Petit?
Yes, write this down for me.
Mr. Petit,
Go ahead.
for the people who don't need help, do we need to write this down too?
Yes, everyone need to write this down.
Yes.
Example number 2, we're gonna say, all right. Shoe Village. Anyone ever been to Shoe Village before? You know Shoe Village?
Yes, sir.
No?
Yes, sir.
No, y'all don't know
Yes,
Shoe
sir.
Village? Never heard of Shoe
Yes,
Village
sir.
before?
Yes, sir.
I'm not familiar.
Oh,
I
yeah.
probably never went there, but I'm not really familiar with that name.
Shoe Village. Yeah, Shoe Village. They sell shoes, like school shoes and stuff.
I've
Okay.
never been to School Village.
Oh, yeah. Shoe Village sells. Write this down for me, please. Madeline, are you writing this down?
Yes, sir.
Good. Shoe Village sells. Shoe Village sells a pair of tennis. How much gonna be for this tennis?
$100.
$100? $20? What?
I think it should be like
How much for this
35
tennis?
$35.
$35.
Like
$35?
150?
$35
$150?
are 40.
$150.
$85.
Wow.
$35.
Well, I
35?
mean, if you're getting your shoes from Nike and then
$80.
80? Let's say it's $70, right? There is a store-wide sale. Or let's say store-wide discount of what? 20% on all items. 20% on all items.
This is Mr. T.
Determine. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Oh, yeah.
You can hear me? A is determine the amount of the
Honestly,
discount.
wasn't.
Okay, you weren't able to help me.
screen for a minute.
Okay. Determine the amount of the discount. And the next thing I want y'all to do is, what I want y'all to do is, based on this discount, what is the cost of the shoes or of the tennis? All right. Okay, so that's what I want y'all to do. The first thing we need to do is we need to determine the cost. So we have to determine the amount of the discount. And then based on the discount, we have to determine what is the cost of the tennis. All right. So write this down for me, please. Oopsies. Where are we? That's this way. Write this down for me, please. Where is Seth? Seth, are you writing this down?
Yes, sir.
Braden, are you writing this down?
Yes, sir.
Lincoln, how about you, Lincoln? Are you writing this down, Lincoln?
Yes, sir.
You ready to finish writing both questions down, or are you still writing it?
I'm still writing it.
Still writing. And Madeline, you finished writing, or are you still writing?
I'm still writing.
Still writing. Lynette, are you still writing?
Yes, sir.
So we want to figure out what is the amount of the discount, and based on the discount, we want to figure out what is the cost of the tennis. So to get part A, what am I going to do? To get part A, what am I going to do?
We're going to find a 70% of 20.
What am I going to do for part A?
Find 70% of 20% of all
Point of
items.
30.
20% of what?
$70.
Very good.
$70, sorry.
20% of 70. Now, what does of mean?
Multiply.
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 Multiply. So of means multiply. How do you write 20% as a fraction?
20% over
100.
100%.
20 over 100.
Very good.
Because
20 over 100.
Everything is out of 100.
20 over 100. Herman, what is 20% as a percentage? I mean, as a fraction, sorry.
20 over 100.
Very good. So of what? 70. What are we going to do with the 70?
Gonna put it down. Put it over 1.
Very good. Put it over 1. So it's going to be 70 over 1. And Lincoln, what are we going to do at this point? Lincoln, what are we going to do at this point?
We're going to cancel out the zeros.
Very good. So we cancel out this 0 at the bottom with this 0 on top. Any other zeros we can cancel out? Any other zeros we can cancel out? Madeline, any other zeros we can cancel out?
The 20 and the other 0 and the 100.
Very good. The 20. So this is canceled, and also this. And so what are we going to be left with, class?
2 over 1 and 7 over 1.
Very good. That's going to be equal to 2 over 1 multiplied by what? Asia? What we have left? 7 over what?
1.
7 over 1. Very good. And what are we going to do at this point? Lynette, what are we going to do at this point? Say it again. What are we going to do at this point?
Multiply.
Multiply. Multiply what?
2 over 1 times 7 over 1.
Good. So we say 2 times 7. Seth, what is 2 times 7?
2 times 7 is 14.
Very good. 2 times 7 is 14. And What is 1 times 1? What is 1 times?
1.
1 times 1 is?
1.
1. Very good. And so, class, what is the amount of the discount?
The amount is 14.
The amount of the discount is
It's 14.
$14. Very good.
And then for
Winnett,
B,
1 second. Winnett,
Yes, sir.
what is the amount of the discount?
14.
$14. Madeline, what's the amount of discount?
$14.
Very good. Herman, what is the amount of the discount?
$14.
$14. Winnett. Winnett, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
You and Madeline sound similar. Do you realize that?
No, sir.
I'm telling you, yeah.
I have.
Yeah.
At one point I thought
I thought that's a little sister.
when that was speaking.
Yeah, they sound alike. Sound very similar. Um, Asia, what is the amount of discount?
$14.
$14. And Joel, where's Joel? Joel, can you hear me? Where's Joel? And Gianna? I can't hear from them. Lincoln, what is the amount of the discount?
$14.
$14. Okay, can anyone tell me how we gonna get B? How we gonna get B?
Have to subtract.
I have to what?
72.
Subtract. Seth, how am I gonna get B? The cost.
Pardon me?
How am I gonna get B? The cost of the tennis.
You gotta do 20. You gotta wait. You gotta repeat what you said.
How am I gonna get B? The cost of the tennis.
You had to you had to subtract or
Subtract what? Subtract what?
you had to subtract
$70.
$70.
And what else?
20?
And $14. Right? $70 and $14. Now, class, when we subtract 70 and 14, what do y'all get?
56.
56.
56. Lincoln, help me subtract this, please.
We can't subtract the 0 over from the 4, so we go to the 7, and the 7 becomes a 6, and 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 4 is 6, and 6 minus 1 is 5.
Very good. So it's gonna be what? It's gonna be what? The answer is gonna be what?
6.
$56.
56.
$56. Very good. All right. Do y'all understand how I got these answers? Let me know if you understand.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. What I need y'all to do is take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Excuse me, Mr.
Uh-huh.
I don't really understand.
Yeah, I know. You just arrived. What I need y'all to do, for those of you, Madeline? Where's Madeline? Do you have my phone number? I need you to take a picture of your work and send it to me. My number is, let me put inside the chat, 426-8891. Is your mother home to help you take a picture?
No, sir.
Do you have a phone to take a picture of it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, my number is 426-8891. Where is, Lincoln? Where's Lincoln?
At my work, Mr. Petit.
Okay, good. Lincoln, where's Lincoln? Lincoln,
Yes, sir.
I need you to take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Both notes, both questions, the first one and the second one. Maya, quickly write this down. Where's Maya?
I don't
Yes,
have a
sir.
phone.
Quickly write this down for me. I need y'all to take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Maya,
Yes, sir.
quickly write this down for me. Legacy, you sent in your work yet?
I'm sending it right now.
Okay.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
No problem. Go ahead.
Did you see?
Yes, I got Asia's work, Braden's work, got Legacy, Tajane, Najara.
Did you see it, Mr. Petit?
Yeah, but I don't think you see that like that. Especially what he tried with I don't shoot. Whatever. I tried to who else said it.
Hello? Can you let me know?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the rest of you.
Work, Mr. Petit?
I did.
Yes.
I did.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead, Daronique.
My mother is on the phone at the moment.
That's why
Is it okay if I can send the work after she's done?
Yeah, that's no problem. That's no problem. Okay. Lincoln, did you send in your work?
My daddy's taking a picture of it now.
Okay, no problem. All right. Okay, let's move on to the grade exercise. Maya, you have this written down yet? Before I move on.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, so the grade exercise is going to be based off of these questions. Do y'all think y'all understand how to do this before I move on to the grade exercise?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
good.
sir.
Okay, good. All right, so let me,
Yes, sir.
okay, good. All right, let's move on. I'm going to start off with, let's do 3 for now. Can y'all see it?
No, sir.
No. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Wait.
Okay. Can you see it
Yes,
now?
sir.
Okay, good.
I can see it now.
Yes, sir.
State the, let's just separate them into A and B. The A, determine the cost of discount. B, I want you to tell me what is going to be the, did we do this? This was our previous one. Okay. What is the cost? Okay. Determine the amount of discount and A, determine the amount of discount, and B, state the cost of, state the current cost of the shirt. Then the second one, I want you to A, determine the amount of discount, and then B, state the current cost of the shoes. A, determine the amount of the discount, and then B, I want you to state the current cost of the pair of tennis. All right. Najara, what number you want?
I'm on number 1. I'm
Okay.
about to finish.
Okay. All right, thank you. Lincoln, I got it.
Okay.
And it's not okay. It's either yes or no. So, Madeline, where's Madeline?
Yes, sir.
I didn't get your work. Did you send it to me?
Oh, no, no, sir, not yet.
Why is that?
I was still trying to type in your number.
Okay. Did you get my number in?
Yes, sir, I have your number right here, but I
Okay.
didn't type it in yet.
Okay. I need you to take a picture of your work now. All right.
All right.
Mr. Petit,
Uh-huh.
for these, do you want us to like
Show
separate
the,
them and put a line for like A and B?
yeah, let's do that. Yeah, so show the working for both. Show the working for part A and put your answer, and show the working for part B. Legacy, what number you on?
So number one.
Braden, what number you on?
Number one.
Number 1. Okay. And Allura, where's Allura?
Here.
What number you on?
I'm still number one.
Allura, did you send in your work?
No, sir.
What happened? Why didn't you send in your work?
Um,
You have to take a picture of your work and send it to me. Where's Allura?
here.
Yeah, you need to take a picture of your work and send it to me.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want us to put each question on different lines instead of making it look like one paragraph?
You could do that. You could do that. I want to save space, so I have them together. Lynette, what number you on?
Still on number one.
Still on number 1. Do you understand what you're doing?
Yes, sir.
Seth,
Yes, sir.
you on number 1 or number 2?
Number one.
Asia, do you understand what to do?
Yes, sir.
You do, okay. And Lincoln, what number you on, Lincoln?
Number 1.
Number 1. A or B?
A.
A, okay. Anyone finished with number 1 yet?
I'm finished.
Me
Finished.
also.
Who's finished?
Yeah.
Daranic, and who else?
I'm finished.
Najara. Okay. Mm, s- Maya, where's Maya?
Yes, sir.
You understand what to do?
A little bit.
It's very similar to what we did last week. It's very similar. You have to first find 20% of 40, right? And you could find that by taking 20%, putting it over 100 and multiplying it by 40, okay? Then, once you find your answer for that, that'll be your answer for A. Then you take your answer for A and you subtract it from 40 to get the cost of the shirt. Understand that? Or no?
Yes, sir.
We'll try number 1 and let me see what you get. Madeline, where's Madeline?
I'm here, sir.
I'm still waiting on your notes.
Oh, I don't know how to add you, sir.
Oh, you don't know how to add me. Okay, don't worry about it then. When your mother comes, just make sure that that she take a picture of it, of your notes, okay?
All right, sir.
What number you on, Madeline?
I'm on number 1B.
Number 1B, okay. Herman? Where's Herman?
Sir,
What number you on?
I'm on number 1B.
What you got for number 1A?
Oh, I'm on number 1A.
Okay, you're on number 1A. Braden, what you finished number 1?
No, sir.
No. Joel? Where's Joel? Legacy, you finished number 1. Azia?
I'm still on number 1, Mr. Petit.
Okay. Lincoln, you finished number 1?
No, sir.
You on A or B?
B.
B. Tajane, where's Tajane?
I'm here.
Okay, Tajane, I cannot see you. What happened to your camera?
It's not working.
It's not working. Do you understand what to do?
Yes, sir.
But I don't see your work.
I sent you my work.
You did?
Yes, sir.
I don't see, oh, I see it. I see it now.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Okay. Go ahead.
I'm done with number 1.
What you got for number 1?
Number 1A,
Mm-hmm.
I got $8.
Okay. And what you got for B? For B?
$32.
Okay, you're on the right track. Legacy, what you got for number 1A?
I'm writing down my answer right now.
Okay. Darnik, you finished with number 1?
Yes, sir.
What you want now?
Number 2A.
Number 2A. Okay, good. Where is Lincoln? Lincoln, you finished with number 1, is there?
Yes, sir.
What you got for number 1A?
I got $8.
Okay. Go ahead, Braden.
I'm finished with number 1.
Okay. What you got for number 1?
For A, I got 2/1, and for B, I got $12.
For number 1?
Yes, sir.
No, it's 20% of 40. Please check that again. Check that again, Braden.
I'm on number 2, Mr. Petit.
What you got for number 1A?
For number 1A, I got 8.
Number 1B, you got what?
For number 1B, I got 32.
Okay. Seth, what you got for number 1A?
I'm finished with it, yeah.
Okay. Alora, what you got for number 1A?
8.
8, you sure?
Yes, sir.
What you got for number 1B?
32.
32, okay. And Herman, what you got for number 1A?
I'm still answering it.
Still answering it. Asia, what you got for number 1A?
For number 1A, I got 8.
8, okay.
Mr. Petit,
Go ahead.
I'm on number 3 now.
Number 3, okay. Daranique, what number you on?
Number 2B.
Number 2B, okay. All right. Lincoln, what number you on now?
Number 2.
Number 2 what?
Number 2A.
Number 2A, okay. Seth, what you got for number 1A?
For number 1A, I got 8/1.
8/1, very good. And what you got for B?
I just got on B.
Okay, Herman, what you got for number 1A?
I'm not done answering it.
It shouldn't take you that long, Herman. Not for number 1A. Shouldn't take you that long. Where is Madeline? What you got for number 1A, Madeline?
For 1A, I got 8.
And 1B, what you got for 1B?
I got 62.
62? You're not supposed to add it.
I never added.
So how you got 62?
Oh, wait, my bad. I did something wrong.
Okay. So please correct it. Lynette, what you got for number 1A?
8.
Okay, good. And what you got for number 1B?
32.
32, okay. Anyone finish number 2? Is anyone finished with number 2?
I am.
I'm finished. I'm on number 3.
I got my answer.
Okay. Lynette, you on number 2 or you finished number 2?
I'm on 2B.
2B, okay.
Mr. Matisse, I'm on 3A.
You on 3A. Very good. Where's Lincoln? Lincoln, what number you on?
Number 2 still.
2A or B?
A.
A, very good. Tajane, what you got for number 2A?
16.
Okay. And Herman, what you got for number 1A?
I got 8.
Got 8. Okay, very good. What you got for number 1B, Herman?
I'm answering it.
Answering it now, okay. Madeline?
Pardon?
Madeline, what you got for number 1B?
1B. I got 32.
32, very good. Very good, you're right. Seth, what you got for number 1B?
I got 32.
Very good. Madeline.
Yes, sir.
You can't just leave. You have to let me know that you're going.
Oh.
What happened?
May I use the bathroom?
Yes, you can. Quickly. And Seth, I can't see you, Seth. Seth, what you got for number 1B?
I got 8/1.
For number 1B, 1B.
1B, I got 32.
How did you get 32?
I did 40 minus A and 40 minus A is 32.
Excellent. Very good.
Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm done.
Anyone else finished, like Najara? Anyone else is done, like Najara?
I'm sending it now, Mr. Petit.
Okay, good. If you're finished, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, if you're finished, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
I'm on number 3, Mr. Petit.
You are number 3. Very good. Lincoln, where's Lincoln?
Yourself?
What number you on?
Number 3.
What you got for number 2A?
16.
Okay, and what you got for number 2B?
64.
64. Okay. And Najara, you say you're finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Wait.
Who else is finished? Who else is
I'm
finished?
on number 3Bs.
Okay, Joel, what number you on? Where's Joel? I can't hear from them at all. Okay, for those of you who are finished, let me send, I'm gonna put the rest of it in the chat for those of you who are finished. Okay, this is for those who are finished. Okay, for those of you.
Petit just says he left.
Say it again.
It said he left. That's probably.
Hello? What you said?
I'm on number 2A.
Number 2A. What you got for number 1?
Yes, sir.
What you got for number 1?
For number 1A, I got number 8, $8, and for number 1B, I got $32.
Very good. Okay, for those of you who are finished, this is going to be for Darren. You finish?
Yes, sir.
Stand in your work, please. Najara, I put
May I get the phone?
yes, you can. Najara, I put 4, 5, and 6 in the chat.
Yes.
Okay.
It's not in the chat, Mr. Petit. Oh, now I see it. Sorry.
Yeah. I didn't put the second part B, but also put part B a part of it as well. I didn't put part B a part of it.
Yes, sir.
Who else is finished? Tajane, are you finished?
Yes, sir.
Send in your work, please. And then you can
Yes.
move on to the second one.
Yes, sir.
Good. Madeline, what number you on?
I'm on 2A.
2A. Where's Bradley? Well, no, not Bradley, Braden.
Yes, sir.
What number you on?
Number 2.
What you got for number 1A and B?
For number 1A, I got 60 and I didn't get B yet.
For number 1A, you got 60.
16.
Number 1A?
Yes, sir.
How did you get 60 and
Number 2A, number 2A.
I mean number 1A. What you got for number 1A? What you got for that?
1A, I got 8.
Okay, and number 1B?
For number 1B, I got 32.
32. Very good. Herman, what you got for number 1B?
I got 32.
32. Allura, what you got for number 2A?
I got 16.
Very good. What you got for number 2B?
I got 34.
34? How you got 34?
Oh, sorry, I meant 64.
64. Very good. Seth, what you got for number 1B?
1B, I got 32.
Okay, good. Where is Tajane? Tajane?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Tajane, where is where's your work?
Name the first set, the first three.
Yeah, the first three.
I sent them.
I haven't gotten them for some reason.
Mr. Petit,
Go ahead.
for the first,
Yes, go ahead. Go ahead, Najara. No, I can't hear you. I can't hear you, Najara.
Mr. Petit,
Yes.
for the first one, I was asking if. Wait, can you send it again, please?
Resend it.
Yes, sir. I got kicked out.
Okay.
I
All
was
right.
wondering if you wanted one answer.
Okay. Where's Lincoln? Lincoln left already? I think Lincoln.
Mr. Petit, you only want one answer for the
Oh,
second one?
for a second, I was telling you to send both of them. Even though I only asked for one.
Both? Okay, yes,
You
sir.
understand? Send both. You understand what I'm saying? I only put one, but I want A and B.
Yes, sir.
Excuse
Wh-
me. Mr.
Yes.
Did you see them now?
Yeah, I see him now.
Okay.
Where is Asia? Asia would number one.
I want 2B.
2B. What you got for number 2B?
I ain't answered it yet.
I mean 2A, sorry.
2A, I got 16.
Okay, good. Lynette, what you got for number 3? Why you want number 3 now?
For 3A,
3A, yeah.
18.
18, okay. And Madeline, where's Madeline?
Yes, sir.
What you got for number? You answered number 2 yet?
Yes, sir.
What you got for number 2A?
2A, I got 16.
Very good. And how about 2B?
For 2B, I got 64.
Very good. Armin, what you got for number?
Mr.
Yes,
You want us to state the current cost?
yes, yes, yes. For each one, state the current cost of issues. Where's Maya?
Yes, sir.
You finished all 3?
Yes, sir. Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
1 second, Legacy. Maya, you say you finished all 3?
Yes, sir.
You want the second one now?
Yes, sir.
How come you aren't sending your work yet, Maya?
I'm gonna send my work in right now, sir.
Yeah, send the notes as well. Allura, what number you on?
I'm on number 3.
Number 3, okay. And Asia, what number you on?
I'm on number 3.
Go ahead, Legacy.
I'm done with the first exercise.
All right, send it to me, please, via WhatsApp. Herman, what you
Yes,
got?
sir.
Herman, Seth, what you got for number 2A?
I'm still working on it.
Okay. And Herman, what you got for number 2A?
I got 16.
What you got for number 2B?
Answering it.
Still answering it, okay. And where is Maya, you say you finish? Where's Maya? I can't know if
Yes,
I'm,
sir.
you say you finished with the first one, right?
Yes, sir. I'm going to send it to you now.
Okay, good. Okay, where is Madeline? Madeline, what number you on?
I'm on number 3A.
3A. Lynette, can you send your work, please? Where's Lynette?
Here, I'm sending the rest now.
Okay. And Daranique, what number you on now?
I'm on number 5A.
5A, okay. Please put the B attached to it as well, even though I didn't put it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where is Asia? Asia, what number you on?
I'm writing number 3A.
Okay, where's Joel and Gianna? Are y'all there?
Yes, sir.
What number y'all on?
I'm on number 3A.
I'm on number 3B.
What you got for number 2B?
Number 2B, I got $64.
How about you, Gianna?
I got $64.
Okay, good. Very good.
I sent it to you, Mr. Petit. Did you see it?
Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Of course I did. Very good. Very good. Where is okay, so move on to the next one. Legacy. Do you see it?
I'm on number 2.
Jara, what number you on?
I'm on number 2B
Number 2B, okay.
on the second one.
Okay.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit. Do you want
Mhm.
us to put graded exercise 2?
No, just continue. Let's
Yes, sir.
continue. Let's continue. Madeline, what number you on?
I'm on 3B.
3B, okay. And Seth, what number you on?
2B.
2B. Herman, what number you on?
I'm on 3A.
What you got for number 2B?
I got 6.
What you got? What you got?
64.
Say it again.
64.
64, okay, good. Madeline,
Yes, sir.
what number you on now?
I'm almost done with 3B.
Okay, and Wanette, what number you on?
The second one.
Second one, which one? 4, 5, which one?
4.
4, okay. 4A or 4B?
E.
Okay. And Najara, what number you on?
I'm on 3
You on what?
on the second. I'm on number 3 on the
On the
second.
second one, okay. And Daranique, what number you on?
I'm on number 6A.
Okay, 6A, okay. And how about you, Allura? What number you on?
I'm on number 4.
Send me 1, 2, 3, please, before you go into number 4.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit. Do you want us to put 4, 5, 6 instead?
Yes, put 4, 5, 6 instead.
I'm finished.
Okay. All right. Who said they're finished?
Asia.
Okay, send in your work, Asia. Bradley, where's Bradley? What Bradley? Braden.
Yes, sir.
You sent in your work yet?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Go on to 4, 5, and 6, please. Where is Tajane? Where is Tajane? I can't hear from Tajane. Winnette, what number you on?
Number 5.
Okay, you understand what you're doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and Madeline, what number you on?
I'm on number 4.
Number 4. Okay. And you understand what you're doing?
Yes, sir.
That's good. And Legacy, what number you on?
I'm on number 4. Yeah. Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Mm-hmm.
If we could do this and we're taking away from the prices, can we add to the prices too like this?
Okay, that's a good point. If it's a discount, no. If it's a discount, no. Discount you take away. But if it's like a tax, let's say if it was a tax, then for taxes you add. All right. But for discounts you take away. That's a good question. So for number 4, what's her name? Legacy. For number 4, please put A and B. Even though I didn't put it. Put part A and part B.
Yes, sir.
You understand me? So part B would be state the current cost of the shirt. You understand me?
Yes, sir, I see.
Okay. Braden, what number you on?
Number 4.
Number 4. Madeline, what number you on?
On number 4.
Number 4. Najara, you finish?
No, so I'm a 3B. I'm about to answer it, then I'm going to be done.
Okay, how about you, Daranick? Are you done?
No, sir.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit, is there only a for number 4?
So
There's no B?
that's what I'm saying. Put A and B. You understand? You understand me, Legacy?
I don't think so.
No? Okay, what I'm saying is part A is determine the amount of the discount, but part B would be state the current cost of the sunglasses.
Yes, sir, I see.
You understand? Yeah. Asia, you finish?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Move on to 4, 5, and 6, Asia. Winnette, what number you on?
5B.
5B, okay. And Madeline, what number you on?
I'm on 4A.
4A, okay. Seth, what number you on?
Number 3.
Number 3, what you got for number 2A?
For 2A, I got 16.
And for 2B?
For 2B, I got 64.
Okay. Braden, yes, Daranique?
I'm finished.
Okay, take a picture of your work and send them me via WhatsApp.
May I get the phone, please?
Yes, you can. Asia, what number you on?
Number 4.
Number
On
4.
the second one.
Number 4 on the second one, okay.
Mr. Petit, I have a question.
Go ahead.
When you're subtracting, like you have a 1 number and you have 3-digit number, and if the middle number is a 0, do you just leave it and go to the front number?
Say it again. What are we looking at? What number?
For
What,
100. I
uh,
just realized I make a mistake on number 5.
for 100, you could just cancel out the 2 zeros at the bottom. 100, and it'll be 20 times 1.
I mean to find the current cost.
Or to find the current cost.
Yes, sir.
If what you asking me.
When you have a 3-digit number and your number is 2 when you're subtracting, and you have a 3 in the middle, do you just, when you're borrowing, do you just leave it? Or do you have to go all the way to the 1?
Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay, what you subtracting?
100 take away 2.
100 minus 2?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I see. If you're trying to do that, then this will be 0. This will be 10. This turn into a 9. And this will be 10 minus 2, which is 8. 9 minus 0, which is 9. So it's going to be 98.
Oh, now I understand.
Make sense? Okay. All right.
Excuse me, Miss Petite.
Go ahead.
For number 5A,
Mm-hmm.
when you're multiplying 20 over 100 by 100
Mm-hmm.
over 1, you would cross out the 2 zeros for both 100 hundreds and the 0 from off the 20.
No. No. Because it's only, that's a good question. So for those of you who are doing number 5, here's the thing, right? For those of you on number 5, if you're doing 20% of 100, so it's 20%, right? Of 100, especially Najara. Watch this. 20% of 100. Put it over 1, right? So you cancel this 0 with what? This 0, right?
Yes.
Then you cancel out this 0 with this 0, right?
Yes.
But then this 0, you don't have no other 0 to cancel it with. Cancel it out with. You see what I'm saying? So it's gonna be 20 over 1.
Yes, sir.
20 over 1 all over what? I mean, multiplied by what? 1 over 1. So it's just gonna be what? 20 over 1. Okay, which is 20. So it's not 2, it's gonna be 20. Madeline, what number you on?
I'm on 4B.
4B. Okay. Let's go ahead and answer these questions. Let's start from the first one. All right, clear all drawings. And if you got it right, please put a tick. If you get it wrong, please put an X. Let's start with number 1. What did y'all get for number 1A? What did y'all get for number 1A?
I got
$8.
8.
8. How many? $8. Well, it's very good. $8.
Got $8.
Very good. If you got $8, please put a tick. If you got $8, please put a tick. Number 1B, what y'all get for number 1B?
32.
What it was?
32.
32.
32.
32. Very good. 32. 32. If you got 32, please place a tick. If you got $32, please put a tick. Who all got that right? Who all got now number 1 right? Let me know, please.
I got it.
I did.
I did. We did.
Amen.
I got it.
Very good. Allura, did you get it?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go to number 2. Number 2, 20% of 80. What y'all have for that one?
16.
What it is?
16.
16. $16. Madeline, did you get 16 as well?
Mr. Boutique,
Yes, sir.
if you don't add a money sign, does it count wrong?
It's not wrong, but you have to put the money sign. Make the correction. Quickly put the money sign. So we
I
have
got 64 for
80,
B.
80 minus 16 is what?
64.
$64. Very good. $64. Anyone else got that right?
I got it.
Let me know.
I got it.
I got it.
Very good. Where's Maya? Maya, you got any of these right?
Yeah, I got all right.
Okay. Now let's go number 3. 3A. What y'all got for number 3A?
3A.
For number 3A, I got 18.
18.
Yeah, I got
18.
so I got 18.
$18.
I got
I got
$18.
$18.
18.
18.
Very good. 18. Wynette, what you got for number 3?
Number 3, I got 18.
Very good. And what y'all got for number 3B?
72.
I got $72.
72.
I got $72.
I got
$72.
72.
Very
We
good.
got $72.
Very good. 72.
Mm.
72. Very good. Anyone got all right?
I
All
did.
3 right? All 3
I
right?
did.
I did.
I
did.
got all 3
Excellent.
right.
Number 6.
I got
I
all
got
three
all
right.
3 right.
I got
Very
all
good.
3 right.
2, 4, 6. 6 out of 6. Anyone got one wrong?
No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Good. Good. Excellent. Please put a tick, and
Yes,
if you didn't get it right, make the corrections. Okay, let's go on to number 4. Number 4, what y'all have for number 4?
6.
Number 4 is 6.
Number 4,
6.
20% of 30 is 6. And then you have 30 minus 6, which is what?
24.
24.
24.
24.
Sells a pair of headphones for $100. What's the discount on $100? What's the discount? 20% of 100 is what?
20.
20% of 100 is what?
$20.
$20. Very good. And then 100 minus 20 is what?
70.
No. 100 minus 20.
$80.
80. Yeah.
$80.
80. 80. Now, Ella's Emporium sells a scarf for $40. 20% of 40 is what?
$8.
8.
$8.
8. Very good. And so we do,
I put that because I was starting to get a bit warm.
and then we
Actually,
do
a lot warm.
40, 40,
So
40.
now I'm gonna pay.
So 40 minus 8 is what?
32.
32. Very good.
$32.
32. Very good. What I need y'all to do is take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Mr.
Excuse me, Mr. T.
Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me
Excuse
via
me, Mr.
WhatsApp.
T.
Yes.
I didn't get to finish question 5.
Well, make that your last question, and then take a picture of that and send it to me. The rest of you have a wonderful evening and take care, everyone. See you tomorrow at 6 o'clock.
4:30.
I mean 4:30. 4:30.
6 o'clock.
4:30.
Mr. Potato.
4:30. 4:30.
Excuse me, Mr. Potato.
Say it again, Maya.
I met your mother yesterday.
My mother?
Yes, sir.
My mother. Really?
Yes, sir.
How?
At a church.
You're a Seventh-day Adventist?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. How did you know that was my mommy?
Your mother told me.
Oh, wow. All right, I did not know that. Well, that's nice. I hope he was kind and she was kind to you.
Yes, sir.
Have a wonderful evening, everyone. Take care.
You too.
All right.
You too, sir.
Yes, take care.